Process 4. Solder paste inspection. We begin by loading the appropriate program into the solder paste inspection machine according to the PCB model. Then, verify that the correct program is loaded during startup. The PCB with printed solder paste is directly conveyed for inspection. The PCB is inspected using a high-speed camera to enable rapid defect detection, supported by high transmission accuracy for stable and precise operation. The monitor will display a good status when the solder paste volume and placement meet the PCB model specification. On the other hand, any solder paste printing defects are automatically detected and indicated as NG on the monitor. Then the PCB is automatically marked to identify the board that failed the inspection. Once the PCB has been marked, the loading machine temporarily stops to prevent additional boards from entering the inspection process. Since there are 3 buffer boards inside the system, these boards must first pass through the SPI machine for inspection. The SPI machine is then run again to continue checking the next 3 boards in the buffer. If another NG is detected during this sequence, the operator will press the alarm button to call the engineer. Once the engineer arrives, they will check the PCB and the solder paste printing condition to determine the cause of the defect. After identifying the issue, the engineer will perform the necessary corrective action before the production line resumes normal operation. This may include cleaning or inspecting the stencil, checking the condition of the squeegee blades, and verifying that the solder paste is within specification.